Salty Shekels says that's a giant bull flag. TRX looks very strong compared to most of the market. Okay, let me just see the... okay, I know what you're saying. Giant bull flag, right? TRX USD. Let's look at another exchange. KuCoin. Giant bull flag. You may argue that it's not exactly a bull flag. Wage maybe, but this is too ugly for me to call a... What? I don't know. I can't see the bull flag. I can't see the bull flag for Tron. So it would be great if you could do a screenshot, link me to what you see as a bull flag. So yeah, there we go. Yes, compared to the market at the moment, you might think that Tron is stronger than most because a lot of coins have been dropping. But Tron still refused to drop, right? Tron still has very strong support pushing the price higher. So that's why Tron is where it is right now. It's above the skinny pink line. We should be switching our bias to bullish for Tron, but we are not, because this is a very big, very, very big mountain range. Excuse me. That could be about to hit very low. That's why we have our targets right for Tron, and we're looking for the potential drop rate. But I mean, if you want to call Tron being in a giant bull flag, yeah, you need to see strong buying pressure. All right, case in point, if you look at March 2020, right, look at how bullish the move was for Tron, right? This was a very nice consolidation that came, and then we continued higher for Tron, right? Look at how bullish the moves were, right? So from the very lows to the very highs, how many days did it take? 179 days. Now look at this. Look at this high that came. It's only 88%. How many percent was this? 600%. 88 versus 600, right? How many days did we take to rise? 199 days. How many days was this? 171 days. Do you see the difference? Longer. This was actually longer than this, and it is actually shorter than this as well. So how can this be a bullish move? It's not. It's very exhausted, I would say. Yeah, it's exhaustion. It's like something like this, right? It's very tired. You know, it takes a lot of energy to push the price higher, right? Yeah, I'm leaning to more downside for Tron. So again, this is just my take. Of course, I could be wrong, and of course, you could be right. And yeah, if I see things start turning bullishly, how could we start turning bullishly? Yeah, I don't see it. If we start curving back up, maybe you can argue that this is an inverse head and shoulders. Maybe something like this. Maybe. Yeah, then of course Tron could be going higher again. If this happens, I will definitely be switching my bias to bullish. Right? If I see things start turning bullish. Right, because we are traders, and as traders, we are not here to be right. We are here to make money. So it doesn't matter if this does happen, right? But anyway, but for now, based on what I see on the chart pattern, more likely than not, more downside, and potentially we'll be hitting 3 cents first. Then if we see a recovery all the way back up, then obviously this is going to be invalidated. But if you see a slow little rally, dead cat bounce, we'll be expecting 2 cents. And we see another slow dead cat bounce, very likely we'll be expecting 1.5 cents. So that's our take for Tron. At this point of time, of course, as time goes on, things change, and we'll change our opinion as well. But we are, as a trader, at this point of time, of course, you can't see the things as time goes by, right? So you will have, let's say, 3 possibilities, right? You want to look at things from a bullish perspective, from a bearish perspective, and from a non-moving perspective, as in we just keep moving sideways, right? And so as time goes on, you will see which path is revealed to you, and over time you'll see, oh, okay, it looks like this path is revealed. Oh, no, actually it's this path, right? It's actually a tricky trick. We're taking this path. Oh no, actually we are going this path. Yeah. So time will tell. Time will tell. We'll see how it goes. But for Tron, I'm expecting bearishness, so that's my opinion, right? I agree with Tron, very bullish, increasing even while others falling, almost keeping up with the big guys. Yeah, it'll be wise not to invest too heavily into a coin. Would be great, if you could learn some very basic classical chart patterns so that you can read the charts better, right? Rather than to go all in into a particular coin. So yeah, all in or very heavily. Sounds to me like you're very heavy into Tron.